Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in my last couple of videos, I've walked you through what the Amazon Prime Visa card has to offer, and then shared my experience applying for the card and getting approved. Well, today I've got the card in hand. So this is my Amazon Prime Visa card reveal. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have to work with. Okay, so straight away we have this Welcome to Chase, your card member agreement pamphlet. And we can briefly look at that in a moment. We have our Meet Your New Prime Visa program guide. Have the information about what Chase does with your personal information pamphlet. Prime Visa Rewards Program Agreement. And we also have, I think this is an addendum page, which talks about the Military Lending Act. And then last but not least, we have the actual card here. And it's showing my credit line as well as my cash access line and some information to get started. This is the card. This is really interesting. So if you all recall from the application video, I did select this sort of rich blue Prime Visa card, and it was one of 3 options that were available, and this was the one that piqued my interest the most, so I went with it. And then at the bottom of this document here, this page, it again lists out the rewards that I would be eligible for as a part of this card program. Let's see if it has anything on the back here. Nothing on the back. So yeah, this is my card. Very nice and a little bit hefty. Let's see if we can take this off here. And on the back it has my card number as well as the expiration date, so I won't be able to show you all that, but yeah, looks pretty nice. All right, so let's set this aside for a moment and look at some of the other materials that we have that have come with this card. So again, this was the Military Lending Act information that you're probably seeing here. So for our military members, obviously you want to make sure that you're aware of everything that you're eligible for as a part of that. Have the Prime Visa Rewards Program Agreement. And let's check this out in a little bit more detail. So opening this up has additional information that you all are probably not seeing very well given how small the print is, but it's just listing out some information that you're gonna want to know about, presumably in order to take advantage of all of the rewards that you're eligible for. It talks about all of the different rewards categories and the percentage that you will earn for each of those. So certainly if you apply for and are approved for this card and you get it, then pay close attention to the information that you have in here. You want to see the details about what you would be eligible for with this card. And checking out the back here, it's a continuation of this information, talking about how you can use your points and the different ways that you can leverage this card for purchases. So useful information that you'll definitely want to take a peek into whenever you have your card. All right, so we're going to keep moving here, and this next document that we saw briefly before is information about how Chase is going to use your personal information. So if you have concerns about privacy and whether or not your information is going to be shared or how it's going to be shared, then you'll definitely want to pay attention to this document that we have here. And on the back, it has additional information that you may want to be interested in, as well as the information about the types of organizations or entities that they may share your information with, if this is something that you agree to. Okay, seems pretty self-explanatory. Let's move this to the side. Next up, information about your Prime Visa. Meet your new Prime Visa. And it says this is a program guide, how to reward your routine every day, everywhere, which makes sense to me. I certainly got this card because I wanted to take advantage of cash back or whatever rewards I elect to choose based on what I was going to be purchasing anyway from Amazon. So let's see what this has in store for us. So much like we saw on the page that I was viewing a moment ago with the card, it shows the major categories for cash back. So Amazon.com and Whole Foods, Chase Travel Portal, 5% back, 2% back in the categories that you're seeing here. So gas stations, local transit, and restaurants, and then 1% for everything else. And for those of you that missed my last couple of videos on this, and I highly encourage you to go check those out if you haven't watched those already, I'm really interested in this Prime card bonus, and as was mentioned in those prior videos, you can earn 10% back or more on a rotating selection of limited time Prime card member exclusive offers with an eligible Prime membership. Definitely looking to get outsized advantage by using this card by looking at those reward categories or the products that they have that are part of this Prime card bonus and taking advantage of those when I have a need for one of the products that are in those or in that bucket. And additional information here in the middle section about ways that you can use and manage your Prime Visa. So if you're looking to make equal monthly payments, or if you have authorized users that you'd like to add to your account, then this information here will be for you. You can of course manage your card online, either through the Amazon.com portal or through your Chase account if you elect to link this card to your Chase account. And there's a number here for support in case you ever need it. And some of the additional benefits that are being shown here on the right-hand side of this are things that we briefly covered when I went through the application process, so you can check out the video there. Or it looks like if you want to see additional information about benefits and to manage your account, you can use the QR code that's listed here. I suspect that this is probably only going to be something that you can take advantage of if you are an existing Amazon Prime Visa card holder. Let's turn to the back and see what we have here. Some information about how to redeem your rewards daily and earn your rewards, of course, daily. They can be redeemed at Chase, which I think is a really, really great benefit of this card. So not only do you have a huge 5% back bonus or 5% back benefit with this card for Amazon.com, but through the Chase Travel Portal, you can take advantage of outsized benefits for your prepaid travel purchases. So definitely something to look into to fully maximize the benefit that you're getting from this card. And some additional terms and conditions here in the middle section on the back. I think that's pretty much it for this particular document. So let's fold this up and move it to the side. All right, last but not least, we're down to the final one. We have the Welcome to Chase Card Member Agreement document. And my suspicion is this is probably a lot of legalese in this one, so may not spend a lot of time here, but let's see what we have in store for us here. Okay. Yeah, much like I thought, it's a lot of very detailed information about your account, your card, specifics that you want to be aware of. And I'll just go through these pages here quickly. And certainly if you end up getting this card for yourself, if you want to take more time to flip through the pages, you can definitely do that. This My Chase loan information here is, I think, very interesting for those of you all that are looking to make installment payments over time, or make sure that you're having the opportunity to pay over time. Then you want to pay attention to what is listed here in this document for that. Information about minimum payments and payment instructions. The fees that might be associated with this card are documented here as well, or at least how to avoid these fees. So definitely want to pay attention to this. For a card like this, where you want to take advantage of the rewards that it has available or the rewards that it's offering, you don't want to counteract those by racking up any type of fees that you might get that are listed here. Continuing on. All right, have information that gives you some details about what to do in very specific scenarios. So it has some information here that you'll be interested in. And for additional important information, it's listing ways that you can take advantage of these at the bottom. So continuing on, there's information here on the bottom about interest charges. Billing rights document. Arbitration agreement. And is that it? No, I think we have one more page here. I think this is a continuation of the arbitration agreement. All right, that is pretty much it. Yeah, nothing specific there on the back. So we had the card member agreement, meet your new Prime Visa program guide, have information about Chase here and what they do with your personal information, have the rewards program agreement here, which has information, of course, about the rewards program that corresponds to this card. Had this document here, which has Military Lending Act information. This document that gives you information about the card, your credit line, and all of the details that you want to know about the card. This is also where I got this card from. And this is my card, the Prime Visa Rewards card. So excited about this. And that's gonna do it for today's video. We've now come full circle from learning about the Amazon Prime Visa to applying and getting approved for the card, and finally this card reveal. And together these videos give you the full picture, and I hope that they help you to make a more informed decision about whether this card is right for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And while you're doing that, why don't you share this video with anyone that's considering the card, or maybe should be considering the card. And leave a comment below with any of your questions, or to share your own experience with this card if you have it in your wallet. Now, if you're interested in applying for the Amazon Prime Visa yourself, you'll find a link to apply in the description below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.